Mastering decision support. Our organization's decision support system must conform to industry regulations, no exceptions. What measures will our organization take to ensure that its decision support system is fully compliant with and aligned to the relevant industry-specific regulations and standards that govern our operations? To ensure that our organization's decision support system is fully compliant with and aligned to the relevant industry-specific regulations and standards, we will implement the following measures. 1. Regulatory research and monitoring. Establish a dedicated team responsible for continuously researching and monitoring industry-specific regulations, standards, and guidelines that impact our operations. This team will maintain a comprehensive repository of relevant regulatory requirements, ensuring that our organization remains informed about any changes or updates. 2. Compliance framework development. Develop a comprehensive compliance framework that outlines our organization's approach to regulatory compliance. This framework will define the policies, procedures, and controls necessary to ensure our decision support system adheres to industry-specific regulations and standards. 3. Risk assessment and management. Conduct regular risk assessments to identify potential areas of non-compliance within our decision support system. Implement a risk management process to mitigate identified risks, prioritize remediation efforts, and monitor the effectiveness of risk mitigation strategies. 4. System design and development. Design and develop our decision support system with compliance in mind. Ensure that system architecture, data models, and workflows are aligned with industry-specific regulations and standards. Implement controls and safeguards to prevent non-compliant data entry, processing, and reporting. 5. Data governance. Establish a data governance framework that outlines the policies, procedures, and standards for data management. Ensure that data quality, integrity, and security are maintained throughout the decision support system, aligning with industry-specific regulations and standards. 6. Training and awareness. Provide regular training and awareness programs for system users, developers, and maintainers to educate them on industry-specific regulations and standards. Ensure that all stakeholders understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining compliance. 7. Auditing and compliance reporting. Implement a regular auditing process to monitor compliance with industry-specific regulations and standards. Generate compliance reports that provide insights into system performance, identifying areas of non-compliance and recommending corrective actions. 8. Third-party risk management. Assess and manage the risks associated with third-party vendors and service providers. Ensure that contracts and agreements with third-party providers include clauses that require compliance with industry-specific regulations and standards. 9. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Establish a culture of continuous monitoring and improvement, encouraging feedback and suggestions from stakeholders. Regularly review and update our compliance framework, policies, and procedures to ensure they remain aligned with evolving industry-specific regulations and standards. 10. Incident response and management. Develop an incident response plan to swiftly respond to and manage compliance incidents. Ensure that incidents are promptly reported, investigated, and remediated, with lessons learned incorporated into the continuous improvement process. By implementing these measures, our organization will ensure that its decision support system is fully compliant with and aligned to the relevant industry-specific regulations and standards that govern our operations.